Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Tame કેમ છો? Doing good? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நீங்களுக்கு சுகமானோ? Yes. This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. But today, this is a tutorial of YouTube copyright claim as how to remove it. Recently, I have got this problem of copyright claim on one of my YouTube short videos. So, what is copyright claim? A person or the owner of the content claims the right of ownership when it is used by some other person without his permission. That means when you use some music or content, same to same, and upload in your YouTube videos, then copyright claim is made by the owner of the content or the music on you. Sometimes you want to use some music of NCS and YouTube attributable. Again, I repeat, it's YouTube attributable that brings CRC in the sense copyright claim. Okay. Most of the people will say using NCS in your YouTube videos will not bring any copyright claim on you because it is free music. But it's not so. It does bring a claim on you, and that's happened to me. So be careful in using NCS or attributable YouTube music. Now I'll speak of as how to remove this copyright claim in 2 minutes with 2 clicks, just 2 clicks away to remove the copyright claim. Go to YouTube Studio, and here you'll see all the videos that you have uploaded on YouTube. And beside that, you have a particular title called restrictions, and under that you'll find this copyright claim as shown in the picture. You see here the copyright claim. You just click on that to view the details. This is a shorts video that I have uploaded on 31st of December 2021. Here it is showing all the details that content is not affected because I am the content owner, but on which I have got this copyright claim is I have used NCS music. The type here I have zoomed in. Claim type is it is giving the symbol of music here. The name of the song is also given under the content used as Landscape Jericho. It is also showing under the category of monetization, that is ineligible if at all there's any revenue that is derived from this YouTube video, that is on Swiggy Instamart Shorts video, then I'll be ineligible to receive it from YouTube. The actions here are given as how you can proceed to remove the copyright claim. 3 options are given. I'm selecting the action here. Click on the action button, and the options are replace song, mute song, and dispute. If at all you want to replace the song, you can, or you mute the song. That means there will be no song at all in your video. As said before, you can use the dispute option when you see the content that you have used in your YouTube videos belongs to you and no other person is the owner of it. Then you can go for dispute option, but I have selected here replace option of song because NCS doesn't belong to me, right? Then a window will pop up with the list of songs from YouTube library. You can choose any song and select the option as attribution not required. Again, I repeat, you have to select the option as attribution not required as shown in the picture. Then select the song. After you listen to it, you need not be hurry. You can listen to the song and replace the song. For every song, there is a YouTube audio library license that has been given. You can check with the details of it and proceed to replace the song. I'm playing the song here. The red mark that is seen as shown in the picture, the Jericho landscape, that should be removed when you replace the song. You can select whichever song you want to, as this is free music and you will not get any copyright claim on your YouTube video hereafter, right? If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. I have spent a couple of minutes in selecting the song because nothing seemed to be in tune with the video. I have clicked here on Add button to replace the song as shown in the picture. See, the red mark is being removed and the blue box pops up with information that you can adjust and drag the duration of the song on which the copyright claim is made. I'm playing here the song again to see whether it's working or not. Yes, it's working. Now click on the save button and now it will ask whether you want to replace the song or not. Click on save and that's it. You're done. When you go back to copyright summary and status window and select the action, you cannot select any option because the video is under processing and check as shown in the picture. Now after the processing is done, you can click on that particular video and go to details and play the song that you have replaced with. If you're able to listen to the replaced song on your video as shown in the picture, then you are successful and the copyright claim is removed. You can go and check back in your YT Studio again. This comes as an instant update, so you need not worry. As a YouTuber, you're prone to this copyright claim, whether your channel is monetized or not, whether you're uploading short or long videos on YouTube. How is the copyright claim tutorial? And did you ever face a copyright claim on your videos? If you're a YouTuber, right? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling.